You get for this street now, you get one man will be say, he buy 2 plots inside this Emene Industrial Layout. That time will be say land stood dey cheap, very very well, so 500,000 then. Now the man they complain say people won't collect land now. No, now we don't dey 5 million, 10 million now. I think people won't collect from him.
Wow. 10 million for one land. Then
One
it was
land.
500,000.
Then it was 500,000.
When people talk about Enugu, they usually mention Independence Layout, GRA, Coal City, or the beautiful tourist attractions. But today, I'm taking you somewhere completely different, a side of Enugu that really gets attention online. This is Emene Industrial Layout, a place that is quietly powering businesses, creating jobs, and changing faster than many people realize. If you enjoy discovering the real Nigeria beyond the headlines, take a second to like this video, subscribe, and join us as we document every corner of this amazing country. Now let's hit the road.
Good afternoon, my brother JD. Welcome to Industrial Layout. Industrial Layout is a very peaceful and quietful area in Emene. Very peaceful and quietful area.
One of the most important business districts in Enugu State. Unlike residential neighborhoods, this area was planned mainly for industries, warehouse, manufacturing companies, logistic businesses, and commercial activities.
My brother, let's have a shake. Thank you, my brother. Welcome to Industrial Layout in Enugu State, Emene. So whenever you come into Enugu, just come to Industrial Layout. We have very peaceful and quietful houses here. We have 3-bedroom flats, we have 2-bedroom flats, we have a room and parlor apartment here, we have self-con apartment here. Very cheap and affordable in Enugu. Forget all this taxation where they talk.
For many years, Emene has played an important role in Enugu's economy, but it has remained one of the least documented places on YouTube. That is exactly why I'm here today.
My brother, see Asphalt Plant Company. Yeah, in Enugu State. Come and see another estate here. A very nice and cool estate. Come and see another very nice and cool estate.
Emene is located in eastern part of Enugu metropolis and connects easily to major roads leading towards Abakaliki, Onitsha, Port Harcourt, and other eastern cities.
Come and see Camp David. Camp David Estate, a very peaceful and wonderful estate we have in Enugu. We are inside the Camp David Estate, a very fast and developing estate in Enugu State. As you can see, we are just at the entrance of Camp David Estate. As you can see, there are so many well-developing houses, building those that are already built and the ones that are ongoing projects over there. But without wasting of much of our time, let me show you other places inside Industrial Layout Emene.
Its location has made it attractive for businesses that depend on transportation and distribution.
But what do you have to say about this area, like in general, like in terms of electricity, security, and some other things? Like, what would you say about this place?
There's always a steady light here. We have 24-hour steady light in Industrial Layout. Electricity is 24 hours. So water, there is water board, but you have to connect it. It's called water board, water corporation company to come and pipe the water into your compound. That's it.
Wow. Security, uncle.
Security, there is security in every junction as is here.
I'm waiting now they do for here, I beg.
My brother, you know, say, I think they tell Fulani, my brother, me, I don't know for Fulani people. If you see Nama, you know, say, na cattle raiders where they cattle. So you just manage the cattle. In every area, you must see cattle raiders.
But when I went to WTC Estate, I didn't see any of these. So you can't say any in any area.
My brother, why I told you WTC Estate,
And even some estates in Enugu.
Some estates in Enugu, they don't allow cattle raiders into their estate. But you have to manage it. This place will not be estate now. You don't see any gates for there now. So my brother manage them. You don't see grasses with there. If you enter inside, you will see people's land with there inside there. People will never build house, but they develop. They don't fence and put on gate. Some people just do half fence, leave and never put gate. They just leave things they go.
So, but how much is a plot of land here? Like the cheapest and
cheapest plot of land here, you can get it for 10 million naira. 10 million at affordable rate. There's another estate in this industrial layout. This is Palm Spring Oasis Estate. As you can see, we're developing, we're good.
But wait, there's one I noticed. The roads here are not like really like good.
That's because
the roads is still like looking very bad. What's going on?
Because the government have not entered this road to build it. Government never entered this road to build it. But as you can see, they are on the. As you can see, they are into road work on it. They are into road work.
So basically, you're saying very soon it will be very like better off than
compared to how it's looking now. There is road work here. There is road work going on here. Ajukanam ye de tialwa ajmala ashkanam complain ko basalia de China ya ko no business go ask that estate management wetin dey sup you tell me say yeah dey that go ask estate management wetin dey sup here you tell me make wetin dey sup. For this street now, you get one man where we say, he buy 2 plots inside this Emene Industrial Layout. That time we say land stood there cheap, very well, so 500,000 then. Now the man they complain say people won't collect from land now. No, now we don't do 5 million, 10 million now. I think people won't collect from him.
Wow. 10 million for one land. Then it was 500,000.
Then it was 500,000, very cheap.
When? Which year?
I saw 2002 for safe.
2004. Wow, that is quite far. That is like 22 years ago.
That's true. Not 22 years ago, my brother.
22 years ago. I say 2004 now.
22 years ago.
You are into real estate. I'm a very intelligent person. When I see, forget say you did. I go.
That's true. Fema, welcome to Fema, Enugu State.
Wow.
But my brother, you're not an official government worker. You're not a government worker, so you cannot enter Fema. Yeah, where could they go? You're a government worker. You're not a government worker now, JD. If you're a government worker, I'll tell you let's go. None of us is a government worker, so make you they go. My friend, you're not a government worker, make you they go. Approve you what you come make you they go. What you approve?
Currently, me, I want to buy land though.
Currently, you want to buy land?
I want to buy land. So
don't worry, I will tell you where you will buy land.
No, I want to buy it in this.
I want you to buy it in Ogun Road. A plot of land at Ogu Road is 250 million. So let's go to Ogu Road and buy land. 250 million. Make we go to Ogu Road now.
You know, serious.
No, now the kind of land we fit you now. You na big boy, big JD.
Big JD.
Big JD. Make we dey enter Ogu Road. Big JD. Make we enter Ogu Road.
Bro.
Out of town.
They find out of 500,000 at least.
No, nah. Make we just enter Ogu Road.
And I go dey pay instrumentally. 50,000.
I get now 950 guy. I don't get a lot of 500,000. You know get car, you know get enjoy here, so. Nah, show me this. I don't think
It's about like you have to like have a car to enjoy here. Is that what you're trying to say?
That's what I'm trying to say. Listen, no, I can't do the drive here. There's no means of transportation here. Boss know the entire anyhow. You can't know the entire anyhow.
Unless you have to have a boot number or book a boot inside here.
Yes. That's what it is.
Meaning it's not really that developing like
It's
as
really
fast as you.
My brother, as you can see this house. This
It's not by house. It's not by house. It's not by house. It's not by house.
Places.
Okay.
Oh
You
God,
see?
Jesus. Hi. Jesus.
The lie was becoming too much.
It's a lie, my guy. Don't tell me say lie, they become too much.
The lie
You
was
know they
becoming
see
too much.
houses. You know they see houses here. See fine house, you they tell me say this place no they develop. See fine house where they tell me say you know they develop.
What was that there? What was this bushes I'm seeing?
My friend, now people will get house. No be person will fence am, leave am.
I know. Okay.
You want make the house so.
Okay, what about these things?
Government no see say construction. Now from beginning of gate they go first begin the enter street.
My own is I'm not saying it's not like developing, but it's not like as fast as. Do you understand my point? Because
See house.
Wait, so
see house. No, they tell me say no they develop. See this one
so
where
you're
they
saying
develop
okay,
here.
house, once they are building houses in a place, the place developing.
It's becoming developed.
Okay. I
That's
agree
what
with you.
bring.
It's like they have to let.
Of course. One thing I like about this area is very peaceful. As you can see, when we are entering, it's very peaceful. But based on the road aspect, the government are looking into it. Within from now to next year, here might be constructed well based on the road aspect. Water pump. It's just that people is already developing fast, and with time, we pray to God that before now till next year, houses will full here.
Looking around, it's easy to imagine what this area could become over the next few years. If infrastructure continues improving and more companies establish operations here, Emene could become one of the strongest industrial hubs in eastern Nigeria. Development is not always about skyscrapers. Sometimes it's about creating spaces where businesses can grow, people can find jobs, and industries can thrive. Overall, I came away impressed. While there are still areas that could benefit from better road maintenance, drainage, landscaping, and general beautification, the pace of development is difficult to ignore. Emene Industrial Layout is quietly growing, and it's exciting to witness that transformation firsthand. What do you honestly think about this side of Enugu? Would you invest in Emene? Have you been here before? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. Let me know what you think. If you enjoy discovering another hidden side of Nigeria, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we are documenting every corner of this country, one video at a time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.